Hey guys, welcome back. So as you can see, I do have a black brow and a brown brow. So I'm gonna get started with this white pencil here. So I am gonna be sketching here, and this is what I do like to do before going in with the actual color that I'm gonna use. I like using this in case of any mistakes. It's easier for me to correct. So it should look something like this. Okay, so now I'm just going to be drawing this on this side of the eye. So there's going to be the pumpkin side. Now I'm going to be grabbing this orange paint. And I'm going to be applying it all over my face where I am going to need the orange. And then just going around the sketches that I've made. I'm going to be switching into a little sponge, and then I'm just going to be blending everything together. Now with this orange eyeshadow, I'm going to be setting the paint. Moving on to some black paint, and I'm going to be going over that sketch and then filling in the eye. Be using this gray pencil and then just going onto the waterline, just because I don't want that paint going inside my eye, and then just setting it with some black shadow. So I'm gonna go ahead and start adding some more detail onto the eye. I decided to do it like this. Notice that some teeth are thicker than others, but it is okay. So from there, I started drawing in the nose. I also set the mouth and the nose with some black eyeshadow. Now I'm adding some more detail with some dark brown shadows and some black shadows, just to bring out that pumpkin look and feel. Started using a different type of brush, more of a detail brush, just to define these lines that I'm doing here. I'm using some black paint to go over that sketch that I did earlier with that white liner. So I am done with the pumpkin side of my face. Now I'm going to be working on my other eye. Adding some orange eyeshadow, and then I'm gonna go in with some NYX glue, and I'm gonna be applying some orange glitter with gold little speckles. Added an eye contact on the pumpkin side. So obviously a pumpkin queen needs her crown, so I decided to throw this one on, and I'm in love with this look, guys. Hope you guys like it. See you guys on the next one.